For some reason, your AirTag may not be detected by your iPhone, although the AirTag beeps when you remove and reinsert the battery. The iPhone fails to detect it nearby, either as an existing or as a new AirTag. In this case, you will need to reset your AirTag to its factory state. Removing and reinserting the battery once does not reset it and does not solve the problem. The first step is to remove it from your Find My account if you had added it in the past. If not, just skip this step. Now, we will reset the AirTag to its default factory state. To do so, you need to remove and reinsert the battery 4 times in a row. Notice that the 5th time we reinsert the battery, the beep sound is different. Let's hear it again. This different sound means that the AirTag has been reset. Now you will be able to connect it to your iPhone and add it to your iCloud and Find My account. Everything should be working now. We can locate the AirTag and play a sound on it. Thank you for watching the video.